Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera focus not working issue. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they're facing an issue of iPhone camera focus. That their camera focus is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone camera focus not working issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to clean the camera lens. Sometimes dirt, dust, or fingerprints on the camera lens can interfere with autofocus. Use a microfiber cloth or lens cleaning wipe to gently clean the lens. After cleaning the lens, then you have to do is simply remove the iPhone case. If you are using a case on your iPhone, it's possible that it's interfering with the camera's ability to focus properly. Try removing the case and see if autofocus improves. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues with the iPhone's camera. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Updates often include bug fixes and optimization that can improve camera performance. To do this, you have to simply tap on Software Update and check if there's any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I'm having an update of 17.5.1. All I have to do is simply tap on Update now, or I can update it tonight. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to do reset your camera settings. Setting your iPhone's camera settings to your defaults can sometimes resolve focus issues. To do this, you have to simply open the General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap on Reset All Settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these are some simple steps at how to fix iPhone camera focus not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.